Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Perez and I am an educator at the Bruce Museum. Today I would like to thank you for joining us for our Digital Family Day. Before we get started, I will give you a quick overview of our exhibition, Chain Reaction, the photography of Patrick Nagatani. Nagatani was a Japanese-American photographer whose work highlights the history of Japanese Americans. This exhibition features the entire Nuclear Enchantment series, a powerful body of work that deals with the history of nuclear weapons development in New Mexico. In order to create such wildly imaginative images, Nagatani would take different objects and place them together using a technique called juxtaposition. For this reason, I thought it would be fun to create juxtaposition collages by experimenting with different types of paper. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need coloring supplies, a glue stick, scissors, construction paper, assorted scraps of paper and other materials such as foil, pieces of fabric, and yarn, string, or ribbons. To add a bit of fun, you can also use photos of your faces with different expressions. Start by placing a colored construction paper of your choice in front of you. Then, choose a piece of paper from the material you collected. It can be your favorite color, a pattern that intrigued you, or closest to you. Once you've chosen your piece of paper, glue it to the construction paper in front of you. Repeat this until you have covered your paper or you believe your collage is done. Try your best to combine different colors and materials throughout your collage. Thank you for joining us for our Digital Family Day. I hope you enjoyed making this activity as much as I did. If you would like to share with us what you've created during this program, with your adults' permission, upload your image using our hashtag Bruce Museum. For more digital content from the Bruce Museum, please visit our website www.brucemuseum.org. Bye, friends.